America, the country with the largest army in the world. Before starting the video, if you like this kind of videos, you can subscribe to our channel. America is making huge investments in the military field in order to have a say in the world, and it is constantly developing its defense industry by introducing new technologies. The current population of America is 341 million. Now we will start with the land forces, and we will examine the naval and air forces respectively. The American Army has a total of 127,000 military personnel. Of these, 1,328,000 are active and 799,000 are reserve personnel. America is the only country in the world that has nearly 200,000 military personnel outside its borders and also has nearly 1,000 bases in the world. Thanks to these, it enables it to launch military operations very quickly in most of the world. This allows it to get ahead in the war. America has more than 6,300 tanks in total, 1,595 self-propelled artillery, 2,800 towed artillery, and 1,410 rocket projectors. Tanks play the main role in ground forces. The M182 Abrams, with the most powerful armor and technology, is the main battle tank of the Army. Naval forces. The main purpose of the naval forces is to prevent dangers from the sea and support operational troops on land and in the air with high technologies and long-range weapons mounted on it. There are a total of 472 ships in the U.S. Navy. 11 of these ships are aircraft carriers, 9 are helicopter carriers, there are 75 destroyers, 23 corvettes, 64 submarines, 5 patrol ships, and 8 mine warfare ships. The United States is a country that has dominated the world in naval forces. Aircraft carriers are very important for the U.S., and it has invested heavily in them. As a result, it has more aircraft carriers than all the other countries in the world combined, and the U.S. also has the largest aircraft carriers in the world. When these aircraft carriers are equipped with state-of-the-art fighter jets, a great power emerges and has a great advantage in war. Another of the U.S.'s most important weapons at sea are submarines. Submarines are one of the most effective military hardware developed throughout history. Submarines are the most advanced and powerful means of warfare after aircraft carriers, providing the ability to attack sea and land targets at great distances. Air Force. The most important weapons in warfare are air forces, because countries that cannot control the airspace are doomed to defeat. The USA is a very advanced and technologically advanced powerful country in this regard. The United States has a total of 13,209 aircraft, 1,854 of them are fighter aircraft, 896 attack aircraft, 957 transports, 2,648 trainers, 695 special mission aircraft, 606 tanker fleet, 5737 helicopters, and 1,000 attack helicopters. Fighter jets and attack helicopters, which play an important role in the Air Force, can change the course of wars. America has made significant technological breakthroughs in fighter jets and has developed itself in this field. The tasks of fighter jets are used to bomb targets on land and water, to neutralize other aircraft, and to perform reconnaissance missions. These fighter jets play a multifaceted role and are equipped with a variety of weapons and equipment and participate in various military operations. They are designed to meet the strategic and tactical needs of the Air Force. In these missions, America is constantly increasing the number of weapons by continuous production. In fact, the issue that is more important than these numbers is technology. Since the USA knows this issue, it is constantly making improvements in technology, and it also creates new technological weapons day by day. Of course, a price must be paid for all of these. America's defense budget for 2024 is $8,317.81. It has managed to become the first in the world in the defense industry position because it has continuously increased its defense budget. Nuclear power. Nuclear weapons are used to inflict much more damage than general explosives. Just one weapon used has the power to completely destroy an entire city or a country, both living and non-living. That is why we hope that these weapons are not used. Nuclear weapons were originally built to be used as a deterrent. The USA has a total of 5,428 nuclear warheads. The most powerful countries in the world in the position of nuclear power are America and Russia. In this video, we examined the military power of the United States, which is number 1 in the military.